Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is NAGA AMOS. Welcome back to you with a new M50 Canon camera. So I'll display all the information. Hey, come on, let's check it out. So now I just got a bag. I got this bag. First, I got this bag. Now I got the box. This I got a receipt, but I'll not show you the detailed information. This is the receipt. Okay, I got a receipt, and this is the box, and this is carton box. No more. I got receipt. Now inside the box, let's check it out. Ching 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 ching. Whoa, I saw first a memory card. Send this. I got this one, a 16 GB memory card, and I just open it. I got a warranty card here, and this I got it. But the most important is this. I got this. Keep it. And this is a mirrorless camera that I purchased. See this one. So I'll give you the detailed information here. How many jack port, how many in port, how many indoor outdoor, let me tell you. So this is the HDMI cable I got here, and I think this is a charger. Here I think I got a two input plug done. Here I got it like this, and here how many input, let me check it out. This is my first time, so I don't know how to open like this one. Okay, I got it. And here one input, and in here 1 2 3. Here I got Wi-Fi signal, and I got here the function, everything like this. And in order to put a battery, I got here like this. Here I need to put like this memory card battery. So, and inside, is there any input? So the next, let me flip out. Is there anything? Wow, a touch screen. Nice. And I got here one hole. What is this? I don't know. This is my first camera that I purchased, so I'll just show you brief. Is there anything? Yeah, off, on, and function. And wow, I can take it out right now like this. And in order to, wow, here I see like this. Wow, what is this? Inside there is a plus and minus here. What is this? Do you see here? Up and down. Oh, it's moving. It's moving here. Wow, in order to hang a Canon. So let me just plug that. Yeah, I got this. And what is this? As you know, this is a charger cable. this is a charger in order to charge. Yeah, in order to charge